All right, GM. So let me quickly walk you through how you can, if you are still new to Hamster Kombat, how do you navigate your way through this project that almost 21 million plus people are participating in it all over the world. Okay, a lot of people have been reaching out to me and they are still kind of confused on how to go about this project, how to start, what they supposed to do, what are they not supposed to do, and what happens when you go to mine friends and head up. Anyway, let's get to the bottom of this matter. The first thing you need to do is when you just set up your Hamster Combat, I will advise you should always come to end and get all these tax lists done, all these tax lists. Join our TG channel, that's our Telegram channel, follow our X account, choose your exchange, then invite 3 friends. Now, a lot of people have been asking me what kind of exchange am I supposed to choose. Anyway, the exchange you choose has no effect on your coin or your profits per hour or you partaking in the project. So just choose one exchange just to be the CEO of that exchange. We'll get to the bottom of what is CEO and why are they even calling you a CEO in the project. So now when you start the project and you join to somebody's referral link, they will give you 5,000 of the coin, which will take you from the lowest level, which is bronze, if I'm not mistaken, and it will take you to silver, which is 5k. Automatically when you get to silver, you will be heading to gold, which is 25k, and when you achieve 25k, you go to the next level, and on to the last level for this part we are still doing, which is grandmaster. The moment you accumulate 100 million of the coin, you become a grandmaster. Now let's go further. Now, about becoming a grandmaster, what are the things you'll be doing? Well, you still continue to tap and tap and tap and tap. But the question about this game is, if you continue to tap, can you achieve this 44 million here? Well, that's true. You can achieve that, but after some weeks. But if you want to improve your coin level, or you want to level up on time, all you need to do is work on profit per hour. Now, what does profit per hour mean? Profit per hour is just like the bots you buy in TapSwap, Notcoin, and other projects that mine on your behalf while you are offline. The only difference between these is that this profit per hour stop working 3 hours. After 3 hours, it will stop working. So if you are offline for 3 hours, this will stop working. Now, how do you improve your profits per hour? Go to mine rather, then locate each of all these cards and start buying them one after the other. Now, what I would advise you to do as a beginner is buy all these cards one after the other to level 10 first. Every card you can see on market, each of these cards, they have their group. All these cards you can see here, they are under market. If you go to PRU team, this is PRU team at the top here. This is PRU team. If you go to PRU and team, that is public relation and team, you will see all the cards that are there to buy them. How do you purchase a card? All you need to do is click on the card you want to purchase, then go ahead and pay for the card. So if you click on a card, you will see this is the amount you will pay for the card, and this is the amount it will mine for you. So that's how to buy card. So I would advise you to buy all these cards to level 10 as a beginner. So by buying everything to level 10, that will help you get to maybe like 250k per hour. Now in this account, I mine 404k per hour, and I'm still going to level that up. Now if you go to legal, you are going to see some other cards you can buy there. Now buy all these cards one after the other. Now, what other things do you do after buying all these cards? There are some special cards you need to also invest in. Now, if you are new to the game, go to new cards, then look at all these cards, the ones that are available to buy. Now, this one that are not available, they are telling you invite 9 friends before you can activate this. Invite 3+ friends before you can activate this. Invite one more friend before you can activate this. No, you just need to fulfill all those tasks before you can activate all these cards. Now, If you missed any card that has time on it, you will see that card under missed opportunities. Okay, but I would advise not to do that, not to miss any card. So now I will stop this video here. Then in my next video, I'm going to go further into what you need to do more to improve your coin balance and improve your mining power, and at the same time level of GMGM.